Yeah, this is Earl's RV Tips, and I'm doing a backsplash on a Grand Design Reflection 150 226RK, and they're stick-on, the extra thick tiles. I believe they're approximately 12 inches by 12 inches, and I'm about halfway done here. I used the tile has some clear plastic on it, and I used some tape. Makes it easier. Instead of trying to find a corner to peel them off, I just peel off a piece of tape, stick it to it, and I can pull the plastic right off. Anyway, I loosened the screws in the window frame just a little bit so I could tuck the tile under the frame. And the only problem I ran into is if you try to center the tile just perfectly where the grout ends up even on both ends, then the window is not centered, so it's going to be off just a little bit. But all in all, I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Thank you.